Hi, welcome to Data Science Thursdays with Insaid. This Thursday, we are going to build our first application that will help us scrape web data. So in the case study, we are going to use a very popular web scraping tool, which is a web-based tool. It's called as Import.io. Now to get into web scraping, we'll follow a certain agenda so that all of you can get a clear idea as to why web scraping is done in data science projects. So first thing is we have to understand what are the steps to build a data science product. Then we'll go into why is data collection so important in these products. Then what are the ways to collect it. Then we'll see what exactly web scraping, where does it picture in while collection of data. We'll show it using a simple web-based tool called as Import.io, and that's what our case study will try to demonstrate. How do we extract website data using Import.io? So to make the most out of the session, please ensure you watch the web scraping video that we have uploaded as a recording to the Insaid Thursdays folder. Please ensure you also watch or download this Python script that we have used for scraping a website for emails and phone numbers using regular expressions. Even if you're not aware of regex, that's totally okay, because in the session we'll be using a very popular tool which is very common, very easy to use. It's called as Import.io. So we'll be using that in the session, but for people who are aware of regular expressions, you guys can check out this Python script for downloading mails and phone numbers from website. And finally, please ensure you have blocked your calendar so that you do not miss the event. So whenever you block your calendar, what happens is you get a notification just around the time of the event so that you are reminded right on time and you do not miss the session. So looking forward to seeing you. Have a great session. I hope to have a great session with you. So let's catch up on this Thursday for our first web scraping project. Thank you.